Alrighty, I'm gonna put my cookies into my oven at 350 for just about 20 minutes. In the meantime, I'm just grabbing a bowl and I've got my Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake. And I've already used this a little bit for another recipe, but I'm gonna put about 3 or 4 big scoops of this into my bowl here. Perfect. Now I'm gonna come in with my marshmallow floof and I'm gonna add not quite as much floof as I have of the cream cheese. It's a little bit stickier. Watch out for that floof, y'all. Perfect. Alrighty, I'm coming in with my Swiss Miss marshmallow hot cocoa. And we're just gonna pour this all in on top of that floof and that cheesecake. Ooh, it smells good. And now we're just gonna get this all mixed well and incorporated. Y'all, we are making, obviously, as you can probably tell, a delicious holiday treat. We had those Christmas time M&Ms. I absolutely love M&Ms. They're such a classic candy, and I love how they come out with different ones for every season. I even just saw some Hanukkah ones at the grocery store, so you could make these as Hanukkah cookies as well. Alrighty, we got this all mixed up. I'm gonna go grab our cookies. Alrighty, y'all. Our cookies were in the oven for just about 20 minutes. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to get them perfect. Now, while they're still hot, I'm gonna take my pan and my little shot glass here, and I'm gonna start making an indent into the center of each one of these fabulous little cookies. Of course, use any dough you want with this, chocolate chips, snickerdoodle, whatever they've got at your local store. All right, now I'm coming back in with my hot chocolate floof mixture, and I'm just gonna put a little bit into each of my cups. I'm gonna put a little bit more in that one. Y'all, this is such a fun take on this, to do the chocolate, hot chocolate, mixed with that cheesecake. It's so fun how it's adaptable and it takes on all these different flavors. This is my first time actually mixing it with the cheesecake, but now these are like mini cups, cookie cups of hot cocoa, and I just love that. I love Christmas. It's my favorite time of year, best time of year, most wonderful time of the year, they say actually. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Now you can't have hot cocoa without a little bit of whipped cream on top, so I'm just coming in with a dab onto each one of these. Y'all, my dogs aren't here. If they were, they would be going crazy because they love whipped cream. We have a guy who watches them for us sometimes, and he always takes them to get pup cups. And it's like, how do they know the sound though? Because, you know, when they're making the pup cups and the dogs are in the car, how are they hearing that? I don't know. All right, I'm just coming in with some little peppermint sprinkles. Just got these at Walmart. Look at that. Oh my gosh, perfect. So tasty. You can use whatever kind of sprinkles you like on here, but on top of my little mini hot cocoa marshmallow floof cookie cups, I'm using peppermint because it really gets me in the mood. Check that out. One of these next to the fire, can't imagine anything better. So easy, so good. You gotta try it. And Merry Christmas.